Assalamu alaikum students. I'm here with the next exercises that is of the grammar exercise, adverbs and adverbials. Here we are going to start. I'm going to give you a brief difference between the adverbs and the adverbials. Adverbs are the words used to modify verbs. Adverbs can also be used to modify adjectives and other adverbs. Exercise A, page 72, adverbs and adverbials. Just have a look. Adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, adjective or any other adverb by expressing manner, time, place or degree. Adverbials are whereas adverbials are basically simple one word adverbs presented in the form of a phrase or a clause. Adverbs usually consist of one word. Adverbials can be a word, phrase, or a clause. Adverbs modify an adjective, verb, or another adverb. Adverbials function as adverbs. Here we have some examples. They sang loudly as they decorated the class. Sang is verb. This whole phrase is used as an adverbial loudly as they decorated the class. She sadly returned home. Sadly is adverb, returned is verb. Sadly is modifying returned. Before doing the exercises, I want to explain some things to you just so that your mind will be clear about the adverbs. Adverbs and their positions. It is very much necessary for us to understand the positions of adverbs, where to put certain adverbs in the sentence. So we have adverb of manner first, its position, and then its example. Just have a look. They usually go in the end position. Adverb of manner usually go in end position. They sometimes go in mid position if the adverb is not the most important part of the clause or if the object is very long. The example is she ate quickly, so it came in the end position, the first position. And she quickly ate her dinner and ran out. Now it's the second point, that it can also come in the mid position. Now adverb of place, they usually go in end position. Fine. So the example is, can you come over here? The second point is, they sometimes go in front position. They can also, like the adverb of place can come in and front position. This is here she said. We have these two examples for these 2 points. Adverb of time, they usually go in end position. I'm going to Islamabad tomorrow. Number 2 is, they sometimes go in front position, especially when we want to emphasize the adverb. The example is, today I am going to clean the house. Here it comes in the adverb of time comes in the front position because we are emphasizing here on the today, on the adverb. Now adverb of frequency, they can go in front, mid or and also in end position. Like it can come in any way in any position in the sentence, but we have certain conditions. Always, ever and never do not usually go in the front position. Here we have its examples. I usually get up late. Sometimes she wears a woolen hat. We don't see them very often. We have these 3 different kinds of examples with different placements. Now we have another thing for this thing, that always, ever and never do not usually go in the front position. How? I could never swim fast. Never is what? Never is an example of adverb of frequency. So never came in the middle position, but here they have never I could swim fast. This is wrong. This never cannot come in the front position. Now it will be easy for you to solve these exercises as I have already solved it, but it's not necessary that all these adverbs can the same adverb is definitely going to place in this blank. We can also use any other adverb if that suits the place. Fill in the blanks with the suitable adverbs from the box. The same adverb can be used more than once. Occasionally, sometimes, usually, rarely, once, very, never, mostly, often, always. Here I've solved these, but it's not that necessary. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock. Even we can also use sometimes, even, or we can use mostly here. I have never been to the China. I have been to Mardan just once. You have to do the complete exercise on the book. Here we have exercise B on page number 73. Rewrite the sentences adding the adverb in the correct place. She is at home. The option is rarely. We have to place this adverb rarely in the sentence. Where would it come? So, she is rarely at home. Which position it is? It is the middle position. Then we have the second one. He opened the door. The adverb is quietly. He opened the door quietly. The table that I have explained to you, you must take a screenshot from this table and then you will tally it with this exercise. Then you will come to know the difference and the positioning of different adverbs, and it will become easy for you. Number 3 is, can I sit down? The option is here. Can I sit down here? The students listened attentively. So the students listened attentively. Attentively came in the ending position and place. We live in Abbottabad. The option is now. We now live in Abbottabad. Now we have comparative and superlative degrees of adverbs. Comparative adverbs compare the action or the verb of two people or things. Example is, Samina ran faster than Jamila. Superlative adverbs compare the action or the verb of a group larger than two people. Sikandar sang loudest in the choir. For the adverbs that end in ly, in the comparative form, what we have, add more as in more sweetly. So they compare, and the superlative add most as in most sweetly. Simply they want to say that those